In Vim visual mode, lowercase x deletes the selected text. Select the text you want to delete, press X lowercase x. The selected text is deleted.
Neokloud.in. This is the file I already created it. So here I love you is written. So here is the cursor. So inside the cursor is I. So I move cursor only a one. So you will find that is the blank. Inside that is the blank. Here is inside the cursor is L. This is O. This is V. This is E. So everything what I highlight is inside the cursor. So now I am here. If I press a small x, but the condition is that it should be in the normal mode. So I press small x. So what you find, cursor stay there. The word just deleted and shifted toward the left.
To delete a single character, just use the X key. Watch how easily it works. We press it and it's gone. This makes editing very fast.
Now I press one more time small x and you'll find that it is deleted. So it is deleting the character inside the cursor. Now there is no character, so the cursor is also shifting to the left and there. So instead of x, small x, I will type capital X. So I'll press caps X and you will find that it is deleting the character which is left side of the cursor. So here it is. I'm pressing capital X and it's going inside. So this way the things are done. So small x delete the character inside the cursor. If there is no character, then cursor shift to the left, and in capital X it will delete the cursor toward the left. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet for the next Vim shortcut.